only not only MNC company paying salary, sir. All the companies are paying the good salary now. Startup company, we can easily get it. If you get in startup company, that will be good for you. Please think of it. Don't have a negligency. I'm seeing the negligence only, sir. It can be weekday, weekend, LinkedIn profile, wherever you know. More than me, you should know. I'm using only Naukri and Monster. Monster now it's the found it. Correct? Indeed is there, Insta is there, LinkedIn is there, LinkedIn profile. You should increase the connection request as I told. That whoever people have done that also I don't know. If you're not LinkedIn session separately, I taken for 2.5 hours, sir. For my batches, I have particularly taken for all Linux batches, I taken LinkedIn session only 2.5 hours separately. For you people, I don't know. Correct? Right, sir? I taken separate session how the to do everything I told. If you're not focusing on yourself, no. How many bands back you completed FTP NFS? That is the important project I told. That is the 4, 5, 6 project we done. FTP, NFS, SSH keygen, HT web server, M client, and how to connect to Red Hat satellite also I told. That depends upon you, sir. Please don't take it like it is a problem for you only. It doesn't mean that he passed out, no only, sir. Just now he passed out. He was very much serious from day one to till now. He was very much serious attending into your job. Keeping knowledge in it, no. I'm not telling he's very good in knowledge, but efforts are genuine. Whether he is knowledge, not knowledge, but effort matter. Everyone won't be knowledge, sir. I don't know AI. I don't know machine learning. He may be good in that one. Doesn't mean that, yeah, you know everything, but it's not running. What is the use? I'm just taking examples. Okay. That's like in all the things, skills need to be improved, but the efforts need to be done. You take lightly, depends upon you. Please, sir. Concentrate. Varun, you also, sir. Very long back, you people completed, sir. Okay, please. Be serious. Afterwards, when new people pass out come as a company only based, right? 2020 to 24. Pass out. Pass out here, then mention right year of passing. That condition also will apply in few days. If you're 23 to 24, 24 will come, right? Pass out here. Think. Don't believe reference. Reference and all not going to work for much days, sir. Reference, no reference, no one going to help you. Only you should help yourself. Come back, sir. Yeah. Come back here now. Today we're going to discuss about the NFS. It's nothing but the EFS in AWS. Yeah. Okay. Observe here. Observe here, please. Now, first let me write down the NFS points. Full form and the network file system. Configuration file, etc, export. Yes, sir. Port number, NFS 2049 110. Not that's for Linux, right? POP3. Yes, sir. Service NFS and also RTP bind also use it. Yes, sir. Correct. In ETC export, we're going to mention shared partition and we're going to share. Same concept. Illu ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾವು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌದಾ we going to share the one server to another server. Correct. What here EFS, what the in AWS console, what the thing we're creating, that become master. that we're going to use the two server, we're going to use that partition. We're going to want to. Here you won't get a better understanding of what is NFS. In Linux, we got a more understanding. We done m install NFS with this, then we etc export, we added details, then we shared. Here only two steps. Create a file system, mount. That's it. That's it. EBS ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? We can connect the EBS volume only one server at a time. EBS volume is elastic block storage. We can connect the EBS volume to only one instance at a time, that too in the same availability zone. EFS can be shared for multiple server at a time. Multiple, so it's a shared, it's not attaching. Yes or no, sir? That we're going to do demo now. First thing, sir, everyone should have the two server in 1 A availability zone 1, 1B availability zone 1. 1 A, here, sir, 1 A, 1B, doesn't matter, anything. We should at least have two servers. You should at least have, because two servers are not required, one server is okay, but at least better we have two servers. On both the servers, sir. On two servers, 1A, 1B, 1A, 1A, whatever it is, I require two servers. Again. On put the two servers, sir. Let me on it. I need to have a lot of servers, I think so. Let me filter it out. EPC ID. Okay. Okay. Collect the details, sir. Possible. Note, collect the notepad. Server 1, 1A zone, public IP. Server 2, it can be the same availability zone also. Don't worry about the availability zone, sir. Just I'm mentioning it. Okay, come back. That's it. These two server ID is enough for me. Abda now, IP is enough now. Please observe, please observe, please observe. Now, everyone go to search bar, search for EFS. Search for EFS, sir. EFS. Everyone should do elastic file system. Everyone doing right? Search for EFS. Elastic file system. You're getting a right side. You're getting an option called create file system. Howda? Search for EFS. Everyone doing, sir? Yes, sir. You get an option called create file system. Click on create file system. We'll getting a two options, sir. Here. Okay, one day step complete ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. One sec, sir. Please, sir. You can give name, create, it will work. But it's not a right way to learn. Whenever you're learning anything, sir, click on the customize option. Click on the customize option. You need to fill up now 10 detail. There only one detail. There you won't get much idea, much detail how it's working backend. So better we give one by one. Okay. EFS, what is the date today? December 21, 22. Okay. Give name anything. Okay. ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಝೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. One zone ಅಂತ ಇರೋದು what the region. That means what the EFS file system I'm creating that can be shared within the region. One zone andre if I creating a EFS file system here, if we creating a file system 1 year old this one, it can be connected to the only to the server which are under 1 year. If I click on one zone, we can share this EFS to the only to the server under the 1 year. 1 year create ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ EFS 1BL create ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1B ಮತ್ತೆ 1B server ಅಂತ share ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Right? But in production, we never ever going to use the one zone. If you want to share the partition only to the single availability zone as per your requirement, at that time one zone. I want to complete share from Mumbai. You can 1A, 1B, because different VPC also. That other reason. This is the most true. This is as per a cost, medium size company, a small size company, they are only limited. They have data center only one. Only Bangalore they want to have. That's the way I going to offer. Simple. I have 2 to 3 search setup, then one them. That's a cost less only. Agree. But more advantage will be here. Getting my point, sir? Clear? Write down, sir. Like enable the automatic backup ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Production enable ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ. When you untick these things, sir, what are the data we saved in the EFS that should be taken backup? Production ಅಲ್ಲಿ enable ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, sir. Production we are going to enable. Here we are not going to, because we forgot to untick this thing. Here it by the end of the day it again starts charging. Right? But its production it will be enabled. Correct. What is this thing, sir? Here. Automatic think in X3 bucket also I'm going to discuss. Huh? Think like you are saving your own data. Please observe. Think like you are saving your own data in Google Drive. X3 bucket. S3 bucket allo infrequent archive ella barutte standard ella. I'm going to explain a little bit about this today. In S3 bucket, I'm going to complete around 2.5 hours on that one day. Yes, I'm going to explain a little bit about this. What is the standard infrequent archive? Oh, you uploading one data. Think let's take a three documents. Birth certificate, your PAN card, and resume. Birth certificate very important. All three is important. How do you use birth certificate when you use the last term? When you join the CET counseling? No. Yes. Also not done. Birth certificate. Counseling you using, right? Yes. No. Using that during counseling you'll be submitting. I don't know. Leave it. Okay. Take others. But CET counseling. No. Okay. Okay,
Sir, there is a reform by the parliament which we had to make a certificate. You can take everything, sir.
I just take an example. Okay. Any document. Okay. But okay, at least during school timing you will the
passport to guarantee.
Champion. Come back here. Huh? Birth certificate last time at least before 10 years, 15 years you use it. That's a very important document. But every time it's not required. Yes or no? Correct? Next one, PAN card. PAN card also important. PAN card is daily will be using sometimes. PAN card driving license. DL. DL will be using daily. Daily access, daily should be accessed. Next, resume. Until you get job, resume will be very much useful every time you access. I use it resume by before 4.5 years, before joining HCL. Till after that, I will open it. When it's checking for next company from January, I will start to. Yes, sir. That's the third. Three varies. All three is important. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ every data located in the standard only. Defaultly, when you upload any data, sir, in the server also S3 bucket also. S3 bucket also server also save the data. Defaultly is saved in the standard. Standard means we inform in the AWS the data should be immediately available. Data should be immediately available. When the data is immediately, they will charge more only. Consider 100 rupees. That's our next time driving license. Driving license also you should be daily using. That should be immediately available. That I agree. Birth certificate is not required. And resume required, but it's not every time. Correct? Maybe standard is frequent. If you inform the data, the AWS, if you inform AWS people, got the data, this driving license not right. What is resume? Resume is not immediate, it should not be immediate available. It can standard infrequent. Whenever I required only I can go to you. It's not required to be standard idaga within a millisecond it is accessed. Standard infrequent and it take around 10 seconds. Correct? When we come into archive, sir, compression mode, zip, start command, Linux, it is compression mode. It will take some time to get the data. Correct? That is 5 rupees. Standard is 100 rupees. Example I'm telling. Standard is 100 rupees, standard infrequent 10 rupees, archive 5 rupees. If you're not informing this AWS people, they go to charge for all data 100 rupees. You are not using the birth certificate and PAN and what is the resume, but you are getting charged 100 rupees. When using AWS storage, we should be interested enough to plan what type of data we are saving. Whether it should be is required, but it's not required immediately. Getting the understanding this again I'm going to discuss during S3 bucket. In the last week only I'm going to cover S3 bucket. Clear sir? Noting. Whenever what is IABS based on since the last section. Whenever data you want, I'm right to write a lifecycle manager here. When the data what is stored, if it's not accessed for 30 days, automatically the data should move to standard infrequent. One file save ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಆ ಫೈಲ್ ನ 30 ದಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. That type of data need to move to standard infrequent. The data is not accessed for 90 days. It move to archive. Yes. You have 30 days after 30 or 40 days, I want to suddenly access this file. Again, you should inform AWS. Again, it should move to standard frequent. Based on your requirement, it doesn't require. It's not compulsory. You need to move from standard infrequent to standard. That depends upon the transition file back to standard based on when the first access on IR archive. None of the infrequent. Getting my point, sir? I repeat once again, sir. Whenever you say the data in the AWS, then whether it can be EFS or S3 bucket also, there's a mine 3 will come. Standard frequent, standard infrequent, archive, deep archive, everything will come. That in S3 bucket. Here will come 3. Any data will upload. First 30 days, defaultly it will standard. First 30 days, they will, even if you're not using that data also, you need to pay 100 rupees only. They won't give simply, right? Sir, first 30 days you need to pay. Then after 30 days, you need to move the, you should plan. If the data is not active for 30 days from the date of uploading, the data should move to standard infrequent. The data is not active for 90 days, you should move to archive. ಯಾವಾಗ access ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ, whether you want to again back to standard frequent or you want to keep there, that depend upon your decision. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ sir? Getting my point? Yes or no? Yes. Getting sir? So again we going to discuss in S3 bucket in detail. Clear? Write down sir. Encryption, the data should be encrypted for protection basis. We're going to enable this. Correct? That no need to worry now. Idu sir. It's a performance setting, sir. Please observe. Enhanced, always elastic recommended. When you click on this thing, sir, bursting, what will happen? I'll tell you. Yes, that's right. This is the default way it will be used. What is that is meter? I'm going to tell you. When you click on enhancer, you no need to specify NFSLE, EFSLE, EPSLE, EBS volume create ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? We are specifying size. Correct, sir? When you use the bursting option, we'll getting a provisioned option. Yeah, that means you can specify what should be the maximum size of the EFS file system. But I don't want to take that risk, sir. I don't want to take the EBSLE, we are creating a volume or specifying the size. 2 GB, 5 GB, everything mentioning, sir. When you use enhancer, EFS will analyze automatically when there's a lack of space, it only automatically extend. When you use this option, sir, you need to specify the size. What the maximum EFS size should be. When there's a lack of space, again to request AWS people, they will extend it. At the time production revenue, suddenly space full like December month, you're uploading photo, gallery, everything. Lot of promotions will happen. Space full like everyone in holiday. Space is full. Suddenly December 31st. Night 9 o'clock, space is full. Everybody is in vacation. This type of situation will come, sir. So always in production, we go to use this option. When you click on bursting, sir, you get an option for provision. In this mode, you can specify, you can configure your file system. You can configure what the space I require. But space full ಆದಾಗ trigger ನೀವೇ inform ಮಾಡಬೇಕು increase ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ it automatically check it automatically extend. Understanding, sir? Office ಅಲ್ಲಿ use ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ. Understanding, sir? Yes. Getting my point? Yes or no? Please. Please, any ಅದೇ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಾನು ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಬರೀ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. In 2 minutes I can finish. You click on customize only, you will come to anything you are learning. Go in the debug way when you're learning first or 5 times. You should go step by step. Direct agi ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You will not get what is the thing going on. Clear, sir? Yes. Break down, sir. Tax is not tax. If you want to add a detail, something that not required for me. Leave it. Tax not required. Click on next, sir. Click on next. What are the availability zone you having, right? 1A, 1B, 1C. That all the availability zone you will be getting here. Mounted target. Yes or no? Then click on next. No. ETC exports ಅಲ್ಲಿ AWS sync ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Name /ETC exports in NS. ETC export AWS sync. ETC exports ಅಲ್ಲಿ star IP partition ಕೊಟ್ಟು star AWS sync ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ETC exports first. That option is here. You want to enforce read only, RW ಕೊಡೋದು R ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Prevent anyone access. That is this. Root access prevent ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು. What the ETC exports entry, what you are having in a NF, that is this thing. That's the thing from day one until if you know Linux, you can put in AWS. Till now, what are the things it covered? Then they made complete Linux. Yesterday, what we done? Completely Linux. If you know Linux, you can handle AWS easily. AWS should be DevOps in front of Linux. I work in the DevOps only, but I'm telling you, if you work in Linux, if you good in Linux, You can be work anywhere. At least one job is guaranteed. Next 20 years. If you know Linux, at least L1 job. That guarantee you'll get. You learn all the things, all the rest, all the things you learn in Linux. Zero. Command line always plays the role, sir. Click on next, sir. No need to add anything. You'll complete details ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ. Complete details ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then click on create. Your EFS file system will be ready now. ಈ EFS ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ ರೂಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಈ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಏನು ETC ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದಿದು. ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ನಮ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ 2 ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್. Then we going to use the second server also. Then we going to restrict second server access from mounting. That will work. Clear, sir? First log into first server. Log into first server. Ask it some issue, no? Okay, I'll complete. Log into first server, sir, please. Aita, first server login ಆಯ್ತು ಸಾಕು. Come back, sir. Come back. You're done. You're logged in. Anyone pending? Okay, I'll wait for them. Good try. Plan the log. Then 2 minutes complete. Check it. Sanitizer. Yes, sir. Come back. All done, sir. Oh, super. Now, ಇವಾಗ NFS port ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. First in the security group of the EC2 instance, I need to add the 2049 port. First part. That will add it. Then we'll try to mount it. Then we'll be. Okay. So EC2 instance. So track ಮಾಡಿ security ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌದಾ? Yes, sir. Track down inbound rules ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Not, yes. First you need to click here. You need to click here. Yes, sir. Click here. Add a security group rule. Inbound rules alle add a security group. Drag down. Edit inbound rules. Add it. What is it? Add rule. NF2 22 SSH ಇರಬೇಕು. SSH ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ. Inbound rules to NFS ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. NFS ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Source 100. Save rules. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Go to server. Drag down. Security option will come. Security group rule ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Security ID ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Click ಮಾಡಿ. Edit inbound rules. Add rules. Search for NFS. Area should then if you have any issue, please call me. ಆಯ್ತಾ add rule ಆಯ್ತದ Okay, come back here now. Aita, we added security group rule 2049 support. Now we try to mount the EFS file system to this. Our EFS is file system, what you get, that is master. This is client. What the data is saving now? That is saving now master EFS, not in the local server. First, mount ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು local directory create ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Any doubt? No. Okay. Sudo space -i. Create on directory mkdir. /var nfs. Create on directory /var nfs. Yes, sir. Oh, come back, sir. Yeah. Come back. Now I'll go to EFS. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ EFS click ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Double click ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. You'll get a option called as attach. EFS click ಮಾಡಿ sir. Get a option called as attach. Yes or no? You'll get command there itself, sir. No need to worry also. Command ಬಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Command ಇದೆಯಾ? Copy ಮಾಡಿ. You'll get a command. Copy. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ one second. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ one second. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ EFS ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. This is one local directory. They give for reference, but we create a different directory. Correct? That directory I need to mention. /var nfs. Try whether work or not. Let me know. Good, sir. Attach ಅಂತ option ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You need to copy this command. Till here. Then you mention the local directory what you created. /var nfs. Understood, sir? Copy this command, sir. ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ. It should not work. Who all got the work ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ?
No, sir.
Should not work. For the few people it's working means they already enabled. Who are getting, it's not getting complete, right? Here you are getting as only is enabled because you already enabled for. Who are, 1 second, sir. Who are getting like this only, it's not getting completed. Can lift your hand. Here. Worked, not worked. It completed for you. Okay. People are not got completed, can lift your hand. Okay. For including me, people are not got enabled. For us, NFS port is not added in the security group. Instance are add ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ತರ EFS file system security group ಇರುತ್ತೆ sir. EFS file system what is created, right? That also has security group. That is going to add it, then you going to try to work. Now again I going to verify with you guys who are command not completed. Please, command for whom and all command not completed. Can you clear? Command not for me, that command is not completed. Not completed like this only, right?
Yes. It's telling
In the subject.
Maybe I was supposed to sit here.
Who will take the data?
That's good. These are-
Command not be completed, command completed means okay. It should have done for my also. Observe.
Insurance.
Connection time note bantu sir ನನಗೆ. ನೋಡಿ 1 second. Please keep allowing it later. Connection time note because we enable the 2049 port from instance level, but EFS allo 2049 enable ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. EFS also we created EFS sir. We'll get availability zone sir. That also I'm security group. In that security we going to add a 2049 port. Then it will to work. I'm going to try first. Later. Yes sir, please. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. Observe. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. When you drag down network ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Yes sir. Network there is the option. Yes sir, when you click on EFS will drag down. ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ click network ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Yes sir, no. When you click on network option, you get every availability zone. ಹೌದಾ? Yes sir, no. No, drag right sir. Last section ಅಲ್ಲಿ security group section ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Everyone getting? Everyone same page sir. For you already enabled. Chandrasekhar sir.
I'm just checking.
Okay sir. Come back here. Correct? Done? Now, these are security group ID. Please observe. I'm going to copy the security group ID. Already a security group page I opened here. I'm going to search that security group. Please observe. Search the security group ID here. Bantu. Now in this security group ID, I'm going to double click. Inbound rules. Photo. I'm going to add rule. NFS source 0.0. This is for EFS. I'm adding. EFS security group irutte. ಆ security group ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2049 ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಔಟ್ಬೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Getting sir? Now I'm going to try. It should work sir. If it not work, my configuration something is wrong. Let me try once again. Work it sir. Okay, sir. I'll repeat once again. What's the thing you are supposed to do? In EFS file system ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಐಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್. ಸರಿ, ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹುಡುಕಾಕಿರೋದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I'm already in the same page, I think so. Then search for the security group ID. Come to get it. Double click it. Inbound rules. Edit inbound rules 2049. Getting my point, sir? Understood? Yeah. Try now. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Try now. Understood? Yes or no? Right. Then go to, after mounting, go to / or NFS. Try to create a file. What, sir? What the reason? That's what security group. You got a security group here. Take a security group from here. Oh, yeah. It's
Based.
it's
Instance. It's type of
okay.
product. So
Online enterprise. Already done. Right, wrong. Right or wrong, madam? Previously done, right? Now to add a security, we added lot of code fill now. Clear the? We run 80 port, 22 port, lot of time. Should know how to add security group tool. Almost be completing. Correct, sir? Done. We are able to mount it. We created a few files also. Ivaga second server login again. Mount ಮಾಡೋಣ. Automatically this all the files should be there. Other than 1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. Done. Yeah. Now we are going to log into second server. We are going to mount command. We are going to create a folder, mount it. What are the files we created here? That should be available there also. It is not saved in this server. It is saved in the EFS. EFS getting shared one. Then after doing that, right, from EFS want to allow only for the first server connection. Second server don't want to allow. How to block? That I'm going to take. Security with it. Clear, sir? Please observe, sir. Please observe, please observe. Now I'm going to log in second server. Log in second server, sir. Log into second server, create a folder, mount it. That's it. No need to change anything. A second server security group same irutte mostly. So instance level security group, if not allowed also, it will work, sir. But EFS security group, it should be there. But it's not a good way to do like that. That's the thing I'm mentioning both of them. Log into second server. Sudo space -i, create one folder, mount it. mkdir nfs2. Okay. Attach mount command. Create log into second server, mount it. That's it, sir. /var nfs2. Next cd /var nfs2 ls-ldr. Banta. Do it, sir. Log into second server, create a folder, mount it. Do it, sir. Linux ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ processing ಇದು. Weekend ಬಚ್ಚಾ? ಇವತ್ತು. MKDA. Page another folder. Anything. Oh, but like that. Already get money out. Mount already. And they end up second comment over it. What is the Well done. First server done now, madam. Same thing going to the second server. You understood first server that now. After now, all done. Current work. Understood, sir. Anyone having issue, any doubt, please let me know. Mr. Manjunath, understood. Yes. Abdul, please observe, sir. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe, sir. Now, I want to restrict. Please observe, sir. 1 second. I want to EFS want to give the access only to the first server. You don't want to give access for second server. Second server. That I'm going to try now. Please observe. Please come back, sir. Here. 1 second, madam. Please observe here. Clear? I want to give access to the. You no need to do. I'm going to do. Please observe. For that, first I'll note down what is my subnet range. Please observe, sir. 1 second, sir. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 1 just observe here 1 second sir please don't speak it's the first server 1 year already done I'll take the subnet IP range this is the first server 1 year already done subnet okay this is the 1B already done subnet I need to take what is the subnet range I need to verify give me 1 minute where is subnet okay give me 1 minute sir how to restrict particular network how to allow only from particular network that's the thing this subnet ಬಂದು 70 to 31 31.00 okay yes sir I want to allow only this network sir correct sir no please observe now I'm going to EFS please observe I'm going to EFS I'm going to security group this is the EFS security group I'm going to edit here NFS ಅಲ್ಲಿ source ತೆಗೆದು ಈ IP ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ correct sir if you want to allow only particular IP only particular instance ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ IP ಬರೀ full ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ what the IP coming in inside this network if I want to allow only this particular IP only sir ಈ full EFS ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ EFS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ಸರ್ವರ್ IP ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ only this particular server only going to connect 32 ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ complete only one server 24 means last first 3 6 last one can change ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್ getting sir understood now I'm going to mention network only that means this range what are the IP starting in 170 to 31 32 will allow this won't allow getting my point sir correct now I'm going to mention it let's see sir modify save rule now I'm going to log into second server only ಹಂಗಾಗಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ df-h because it got NFS got removed so I don't have any other option now I need to relog in the server give 1 minute sir give me 1 minute 1 minute 1 minute I need to show you guys please 1 minute sir please observe this is very much important with respect to security EFS ಏನು advantage ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆದರೆ please observe sir EFS what the advantage you came to know but how to restrict my EFS to our for security purpose I want to allow my EFS to be used by particular network only particular server only that is the we're going to go to the EFS security group we're going to mention the network for which you want to allow clear sir that's the thing you're going to do I'm going to mention once again please observe instance 2 Sorry, this private IP, no, sorry. Public IP. I'm not able to see it in that folder also, sir, because NFS is hanging now. Now I'm going to log into second server. I'm going to first server, I'm going to unmount and mount once again, it will work. But in this server, it's not going to work. Correct? I'm going to log into first server now. I'm going to unmount, it will be there. I'm going to unmount again. I'm going to mount once again. Here it will not go to work. Understanding my point, sir? We are restricted the particular network. Now again, I'm going to log into the hanging because it's already got unmounted. That is not accessible. Please observe. Entry.pm ec2-user first server. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then now I go to cdtmp. I unmount it, sir. Dashware NFS. Device is busy. That's okay. umount-l I use. df-s. Unmount agidya. Correct. Now I'm going to mount. Command is not there. Okay. Let me take it from here itself. Copy. Dashware NFS. Mounted. df-h. Came last line. Second server ಆಗ್ತಾ we allowed a particular network. What I done? I went to EFS security group. In that security group, you can clearly observe here. NFS nano allow ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅವಲೇ 00 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. This is the security group ID of the first subnet. Getting my point, sir? Understand? This is the way how we going to secure our network. Same concept, same logic. We going to use for load balancer. ನನ್ನ ಸರ್ವರ್ SSH ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇಂದ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. But the server should provide the traffic to a particular website. Server should not be accessible. Server should not be able to display web content, but you should be able to provide the content to my website. That is the classic load balancer, application load balancer that we're going to discuss in next week. Okay? But we missed out yesterday 2 points that we're going to cover up, then we'll wind up. Snapshot. Copy from region to region. Sharing this thing and snapshot live manager. Correct? That will take around 10-15 minutes. That will complete it. Clear, sir? Any confusion? EFS? EFS is same as NFS or not now? Region. It's also region specific. If you want to allow it the specific globally, VPC pairing we should do. VPC pairing we done. I done from region to region. Pairing ಮಾಡಿ allow ಮಾಡಿ connection ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. Pairing right now in this situation for you. Future I'm going to cover another transit gateway. At that time we can use transit gateway. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Understood, sir? Dilip? Clear. Now go to EBS. Right, EC2 instance ಅಲ್ಲೇ left hand section ಅಲ್ಲಿ volumes ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, snapshots ಅಂತ option ಇದೆ sir. What you do sir? Say it. Left hand section you get an option called snapshots. Okay, ನೆನ್ನೆ create ಮಾಡಿದ snapshots ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Yes sir? Yes sir. Click on that snapshot, not click, select the snapshot. Select a snapshot, you'll get actions. Actions are copy snapshot and the option will be yes or no. Copy snapshot, copy to which region you want. AP South allide, one allide. I want to copy to Singapore, Malaysia, where you want. Where you want UK, you should know. What, sir? I want to go to Singapore. I'll copy AP South East one. AP South East one. AP South East. Copy. Yes, sir. Copy a snapshot. In the any scenario, why you're telling, why you're doing this thing? Yesterday, I already told. Thing like Dhanush is my manager. He's an on-site manager, sir. We are already having a one, please observe. We are already having a one EBS volume in Mumbai. Please observe 1 second, Chandrasekhar, sir. We already have a EBS volume in 1 year. 1 year in Mumbai. 1 year ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಶಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಶಾಟ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊಸ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ 1 year ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Correct, sir? Now my on-site manager Dhanush is telling, right? I want the same data to be available in the Singapore region also. Correct, sir? I can create a by using snapshot, I can create a volume in different region. In the same region, same how it is done, I can create it by using volume. But at the time, I copy a snapshot from one region to another region. But what's the volume create? Getting my point, sir? Correct? Just will verify the snapshot is there or not. Then we don't need to create volume. Just we create copy. Correct, sir? Now we'll go to where you copied, go to that region and check it. Fail to fetch with internet issue. Fail to fetch with internet issues. Refresh the internet. Now,
When you copy the snapshot. When you copy the snapshot, size will be 8.
Size of the volume kill the
Size of the volume.
Right, sir.
Spice it. Now it is just type here the copy snapshot.
Snapshot very quiet.
No, just copy.
Very copied.
That's what I copied the details.
Wrong. You copy a snapshot from region to region, sir. Where which you need to copy to some other region, right? You copy from region to region, sir. Huh? Already Allah is
Yes.
Okay. Go to that destination region and verify, sir. Is available? Yes, sir. ನಾನು verify ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Give me some time. Delete it. ಒಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Copied. Copied snapshot. Yes, sir. I copied Singapore. Yes, sir. Clear? Now, again go to same region. Which region you are located? Mumbai or where you are? Now I'm going to share the snapshot from account to account. ಇವಾಗ data ನೋಡಿ sir. Still sure. Fixed. Come back, you know. I'm working in HR technology. My client is the EMC Square, Dell EMC Square. Please observe, sir. If we want to share the data to Dell company. Dell company has a different database. That's how to share my data. Thing like code. I written in blocks of the code for complete data solution. I want to share, I will save it in my EBS volume. I can't share the EBS volume. I need to share the snapshot only. The snapshot I created. Now I'm going to region wise. ನಮಗೆ same region ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Different activities on. Correct? How to copy from region to region also we came to know. Now I'm sharing from account to account. Okay. Can you tell me your account, sir? I copy the snapshot. Select the snapshot. Actions. Modify permission somewhere. Snapshot settings. Snapshot settings. Modify permissions option ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Click on modify permission. You tell me your account, sir. Account.
779
7798. Okay.
4681
4681
81 7562
7562.
62.
Add an account. Share between yourself, sir. 1 or 2%. Modify permission. In snapshot not owned by me. It will be under private images. Private snapshot. You should check under private snapshot. Once, if you are shared to her, she should check under private snapshot.
Yes, sir.
AMS share ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ sir? ಅದೇ ತರ.
Yes.
Correct? That's it. That anytime I can remove the access for you. Anytime I can remove access. Understood? Yes. No. Varun Kumar. Got it, sir?
ನಾ ಬೈ ಬದಿ ಕರಿ ಚಲೋ ಆಗ್ಯದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ
From which region? Which region is sharing the account? Same region only you should go. In Mumbai, the Mumbai account and Mumbai account and Mumbai region. Then you can copy. If you have permission to copy, you can read the same.
ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಏನ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ವೈರಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ
ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹೌದಾ? Understood, sir? Now, one storage ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ please observe, sir, please observe, please observe. One storage ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ every second, every hour they will change of data. 1 second, sir, 1 second, sir, 1 second, sir. Dhanush and Chandrasekhar, sir. Observe. In what condition here? You need to check under private snapshots, not owned by me. Observe ಮಾಡಿ 1 second, sir, 1 second, 1 second. Please, 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 please. Last section is important. Correct? One storage volume and data we keep on adding. We taking snapshot now. That means data will be available till now only. Next you will start add change the data. So as a company, I should have a backup of all data. Even on nenne snapshot ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಿನ್ನೆ ತನಕ ಏನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ತನಕ ಏನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದು ಇರಲ್ಲ. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Correct, sir. So how to maintain uniformity? That is the question. Production for every 30 minutes will take backup. Production every 30 minutes going to take a backup of the EBS volume, sir. So data add ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Anytime EBS corrupt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. Any backup ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು snapshot. Anytime EBS got corrupted, by using snapshot, you can create a volume, I can extract my data. That time I can't manually do. So I need to have a scheduler. Front tab. a lifecycle manager of snapshot that nobody going to do. I'm also not going to do. I'm just showing the syntax. If you do, it keep on creating snapshot. Your account is suspended by today. Correct? You daily district open ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ your snapshot create ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ your snapshot ಗೆ 5,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, just we going to show you, then we going to very nice. Understood, sir?
Yes.
ನೋಡಿ sir, life cycle manager left hand side, everyone can see, no need to do, just observe, please. Life cycle manager click ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. AWS snapshot policy. Click on next tab. AWS volume. Key is nothing but it's just for identification. Suppose it's a development key. Development project. I'll mention development only. Click on add, it will work. That's it. Doesn't matter. This is a name. Test. I'm not going to create it. Test. Default role automatic create ಆಗುತ್ತೆ sir. Because to create a snapshot, we should have a permission for EBS. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
Correct? Root access ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಕಾರಣ ನನಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಇದು ರೋಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. This only automatic create administrative access or what the EBS permission required. That you leave it. Policy status enabled. Specify whether you want to enable the policy. Not easy. Very good. This is very good option, sir. Specify whether to enable policy immediately after creation modification. If you do not enable this policy now, then it will not begin the creating snapshot until you manually set it activation. EBS volume ಯಾವಾಗ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಂಗೆ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಶಾಟ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ we won't remember, sir. We won't remember. So only when you create a EBS volume, automatic snapshot cycle should start. If you enable, if you not enable, it's not going to create it until you enable. Production enable ಇರಬೇಕು. Getting my point, sir? No. Enable. I click on next. Schedule names. You want to take daily? Every 2 hours? How many hours? 1 hour you want to take, that you can do. Otherwise, you have a cron tab. Cron tab expression. Cron tab syntax ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? Correct, sir? This again. Every 15 days or every 1 day, what you want to use, this also you can use. This was cron tab. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ daily ಬೇಕಾ, weekly ಬೇಕಾ, yearly ಬೇಕಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ. As per your requirement, you can do. This is the schedule. Next, retention type. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು example. Please observe, sir. Please observe. Snapshot ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ಸರ್. Snapshot ತಗೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ snapshot ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Yesterday snapshot include all day before yesterday, before last day. If I take an yesterday snapshot, data is got created yesterday, day before yesterday, last week, everything will be available or not. Understanding my point, sir. I am taking daily snapshot. Example, I am taking daily. Today is on Sunday. Friday snapshot is there, Saturday snapshot is there, Thursday snapshot. Saturday snapshot includes Friday data also, Thursday data. Yes or no? By keeping more snapshot in here, you will be getting charge for all the snapshots. How many snapshots you want to keep? You should be there. One recent snapshot. Previous snapshot is enough. It includes all data. Yes or no? Yes. Correct. This you should at least for safety work will keep 2. Daily ಆದ್ರೆ hourly ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Hour wise. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Satya. Getting sir. ಕೋಪ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕೋಪ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ? ಕೋಪ? I know you. If I ask any question, you'll get angry. Come back there. Now, this thing. Advanced option. Tagging is not mandatory. Tagging is snapshot archive. I don't want all the snapshot to be in the regular mode. I want few snapshot to be archived. How many snapshot archive should be done? How many archive snapshot should be available? Recent one is enough. That I'll give. This is one thing, sir. snapshot archive created by, you look cron tab, scheduler, how many snapshot you want to keep. Getting my point, sir? This is one option. You want to copy the snapshot to the region or other region also. Faster snapshot, this will be used mostly in production only. Till date, I also use only 2 times. Only where high revenue account. Snapshot in a volume create ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಾ? Snapshot volume create maximum it will take around 3 to 4 minutes. I want to enable, I want to the volume to be created within 30 seconds. That's like this. This is more chargeable. Anything you do, chargeable only. Okay, because they are also investing money on their data center. Sir. Okay. Now cross region. Every Saturday, every Sunday, I want to copy my snapshot to particular region. You are copy one the manual again. That's automatic. Getting my point, sir. Last option, account sharing, cross account sharing. So sharing from my client account to my master account to my sharing account. Yen manual automation. Automation. Lifecycle manager. If you but I'm not going to click on the review and I'm not going to click on create because if we do, you charge creating the snapshot, which I will not be aware. They're not only but production we're going to use. You can disable. But you should remember. A lot of people won't do it. Is that?
It's my account.
Clear? Understood, sir? Understood? Yes, no. Lifecycle manager, this is the same thing we're going to use in the auto scaling. Auto scaling is going to use in future. Next week we're going to talk about the load balancer. Load balancer. Any confusion, sir? Anyone?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir. Clear? Confusion? Okay. Now next week we're going to start the classic load balancer on Saturday, Sunday application load balancer. Possible, sir, next week any one class will take. So load balancer will be completed by I can easily say 60% will be completed. Once load balancer completed, auto scaling completed, auto scaling doing after 6 months. That means 10 hours. After 6 to 10 hours. What is the next except after next week? What is the dates of 11th? Okay. After next week, again, we meeting on 11th only. Okay. No festival holiday, Sankranti. No. Still going native. No. Everything, please cut it. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Okay. Auto scaling will add. Auto scaling will add. Auto scaling. Auto scaling. Please observe the 1 second, sir. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. One second. Once auto scaling is completed, we can easily press 65% to 65% completed. After that, all small 30 minutes of server in next week. Once the auto scaling is completed, we can start applying for AWS job.
Yes.
Start applying for AWS job. Then we start in the CloudWatch, SNS, all 30 minutes. CloudWatch, SNS, Lambda, CloudForm. What Terraform you tell, right? In AWS, it's a CloudForm. What Terraform you having in the DevOps infrastructure as a code that we're going to do as a Lambda also, we're going to do as a CloudForm template also. And I'm going to cover the SQL topics also, few SQL queries. SQL query RDS I'm going to discuss, that I'm going to do. Right? Let's complete as early as fast as we can. So we can discuss a few of the DevOps concepts. And let's have our practical test. Clear, sir? Clear, sir? Next week on we'll try to have, I'm going to be any one day at least we'll have classic load balancer. So application load balancer can be done one day. Network load balancer can be done one day. And next week after 11, we discuss about the auto scaling. Clear, sir?
Yes.
Thank you. We can wind up, sir. Check, sir. Right.